If you're coming to Hong Kong, I highly recommend that you actually book the number of rooms you actually need now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to our hotel. We're busy with our own thing. Okay, we are staying at it's actually we actually booked Canadian or Canada hotel through AGODA, and yet since the owner is the same, they actually gave us their what was it, Aiden? New Euro Asia. I'll put the name here. So pretty much they say it's look the same, just the name is different. So this one we say is this New Euro Asia, and yeah. So this is, we have the family room actually. This is supposed just to be good for 4, but there's 6 of us and we're able to fit in. If you're coming to Hong Kong, I highly recommend that you actually book the number of rooms you actually need, not that you book this room first then later on add one, because it's more expensive if you book it or add another room later. So it's good for 2 and another for 2. They have curtain, it's fully air conditioned. They have a TV, but there's nothing that showed up there, right Lana? And then they have some plugs. We have all our stuff here. We've been staying here for the past 2 days, 3 2 nights, 3 days, and that's why there's a mess. But they actually fix our beds, our room every day. We have a fan, and then you can hang some of your clothes there, and then you can carry this. This is the key, is actually your key to the door, also not just your own door, but also the door at the guest house, or what we could say. And then you have a mirror, and this is the sorry. And this is the comfort room. That's how small it is. That's a hot and cold shower. That's their stuff. That's our tissue. And then there's their laboratory, lavatory, and some mirror. And then you can actually hang some clothes over there. And yeah, there's my favorite part of always. And then yeah, this is actually their toilet, but we can smell, because it's an old building, it smells old. I don't know if we can, if you clean it well, properly, you can actually fix it. And another complaint we have is that I think it's better for us to show you than just say look, they have a dusty, I don't know if you can see it, it's actually dusty, but water, what's it called, cups, so it's not been cleaned well. I think the other one, sorry, see, there's a toothpaste inside still, so it's not been properly washed. So yeah, we actually have a window, but look. That's our view over there. Lala, can you show them the yes, that's pretty much another building. So it's nothing pleasant there, just covered up. And then you have the aircon, and then we have Kakai over here who's busy with her tablet. And they do have free Wi-Fi, a strong Wi-Fi actually, where it caters all 6 of us who have our own gadgets. And what else? Oh, they have storage underneath the beds. That's why the beds is higher than usual, because you can store your luggage over there and your shoes just like that. So pretty much the negative of this place is just, I don't know if it should be cleaned well better, or something, if they can do with the smell, something with the smell, and they could clean the cups better. But other than that, the location is great. on the food. If you're a Filipino and you always crave for Filipino food, there are Filipino restaurants just below. And then the lift, you are also competing with other tenants and other customers of other hostels on guest houses and suites. So there's a long line. It can take a long time for you to go down sometimes, especially peak hours. So yeah, that's pretty much the problem or the issue here, I guess. I don't know. But pretty much the air conditioner is cold. The electric fan, that one is good. So we don't actually turn on the fan. Rating na! What can you say about the rating here, Jane? Jane, where are you? Ratings hotel, Jane. Ratings hotel 1 to 5. 5 is the highest. Ikaw, Kyle. Go lang.
1.
It's just so it's just cheap. It's a cheap hotel, so what you pay is what you get. So and look at the telephone. We've never used the telephone. I don't know if it works. So yeah, if you like the spot, it's inside that, what's the building? Chung King Mansions. Chung King Mansions is a great spot to stay at because it's near the Nathan Road, it's near the Symphony of Lights and so on, and in the corner is Tsim Sha Tsui station. It has very good access to everything. But if you want to book this hotel, please use my link here, and I'm going to put that link down below this video, so you can use my link where I can get a few percentage of your booking. Doesn't mean that you will get more, you'll be charged more. It's just that I will get a commission too, because you get the referral from me. That's pretty much it. If you want to help this vlog, this channel, then kindly please use my booking.com link or my AGODA link. If you book any hotel, even this one, not only this one, any hotels, if you want to help me earn from making this kind of videos, hotel room tours, then please use my link. Right, Malang?
Yes.
She's so happy with her Ninjago. I wasn't able to. Here's a few clips of the, what was it, Inns Point, because I was not allowed to take videos there. But it was a good place, a great place to buy some collections of, especially Legos. So I guess that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching this channel. This is pretty much it from here in Eurasia. So, and Chung King Mansions. Why are you shouting, Kakai? Thank you, Jane, for watching.
Bye-bye.
Lalang.
Bye.
Bye.
So much.
Okay, bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Please, again, use my affiliate link. Thank you.
Off it.
Oh my God.